I'm going to go to Google Play Store and download this application. It's possibly an application you know before, but I'm going to let you know the value of this application and take you through it bit by bit. This is Google Photos. So I want to update. So you only need to download or install if you have not installed the application before. Search for Google Photos. Google Photos is going to help you to save your pictures. With Google Photos, you can save gigabytes of pictures in your application, and you will not need to do anything again other than to make sure that you sync your Gmail with your Google Photos. Then any picture you take, you will have everything in your Google Photos. If you lose your phone, Google Photos will still help you. The moment you enter your Gmail into the new phone and you download Google Photos and sign in with your Gmail that you use to save the pictures, then it will synchronize and bring up all the pictures you have in your phone. After installing, you will open. So this is going to be showing you Spotlight, and remember this day. There are some extra features. Revisit the moment, 2 years since. Spotlight on day, remember this day, 2 years. Revisit the moment, feature days, 1 year since. So if I'm going to be looking at pictures, let's look at pictures from 2017. If I'm going to be looking at, let's say 2017, and I'm looking for some pictures. You see, I have pictures of 2017. These are my pictures of 2017. If I'm looking for pictures as old as 2016, I don't think I have pictures of 2016. So I've been using Google Photos as far back as 2017. But let me see 2016 if I'm going to have anything 2017. You see, I even have photos of 2016. 2016. Let me see if I can have picture of 20 2015. If I'm going to have picture of 2015. I have pictures of 2015. Can you imagine? So there are pictures of over 7 years in my phone that I never even knew that I had these pictures. So Google Photos is going to really help you to look for your pictures, and you will not be looking, and you can search your pictures by people. Let me take you through it by people. If you are looking for a particular person's picture, under people here you will see people's faces. If you want to view all, you click on view all of the faces. Let's say I'm looking for the picture of my daughter, which is Luana. I'll click on Luana, and I'm going to be having all of her pictures here and videos. Wherever her face is showing, it's going to show me all her pictures. Wherever her face is showing. If I'm looking for only Luana, that is where you can see only them. Only Luana with her mom, which is plus her mom. So I'm going to click plus. So wherever my wife and Luana is, it's going to be bringing her. It's going to be bringing them out. So if I'm looking for picture with Luana and her mom plus me, it's going to come up. So very easy to use Google Photos, and it's going to save all your pictures. If I'm looking for pictures of, let's say, my friend, I'm going to be seeing wherever my friend is showing up, it's going to be coming up. So very easy to look for pictures, and you can look for pictures by location, places. So let's see places. This is Abeokuta, Pakuro, Loburo, Lagos, Ibadan, Abeokuta, Ilesha, Lekki, Mokoloki, St. Petersburg, Oshogbo, Magboro, Ife. All the pictures I took in Ife will come up here by location. All the pictures I took in Ife by location is going to come up. All the pictures I took in Magboro will come up here. And that's the beauty of Google Photos. And we document all the graphic works I did or screenshots are here. Text messages, document, posters, handwriting, notebooks, signature, wherever. And you can search based on activities like mountains, sky, food, boats, farms, beer, bridges, swimming pools, skylines, birthdays, forests, cars, whatever. And this is not a birthday, it's anniversary, but he thinks it's birthday. So this is how it works, and you should do that. So let us go to how you can synchronize. So you just click on your, and it's going to be say manage your account. So account storage full. So we have up to 15 gigabytes that you can use. 15 gigabytes, 15 gig worth of pictures. So there's a point where it gets filled up. And there's another way you can manage your pictures so that your phone will not get filled up. I mean your Google Photos will not get filled up. Want to check the video that I made on it on this channel. If you like this content, I would like you to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.